Hi everybody. Very warm welcome in Accountancy Point YouTube channel. This is our second lecture in Research Methods course. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about basic and applied research, so let's start learning. But before we start, I request you, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any future updates of my channel. As I already mentioned you in the previous video, there is a lot to know about methodological guidelines when it comes to research. Now you're going to learn about a lot of certifications about different approaches to research, about different designs, different natures, but that will come later. In the beginning we have to learn about one very basic stratification, and that these basic virtues at the line of research, and it's quite important for you because when you've been given a task to develop a research, you will kind of have to position yourself into being between these two extremes. So let's think about the description of these two extremes. With basic research, you are trying to expand knowledge of processes of business and management. These will resolve in a universe of principles that can be used anywhere to improve such processes, while we've applied research to try to improve the understanding of particle management problem. This will result in a solution to a particular problem. I think you can see the point, and I would like to know that neither of them is better than the other. They just serve different purposes. So when you will be writing or research, think about where between these two you are going to position yourself. The basic research is usually done at the universities, where the applied research is usually done in companies and organizations. And the reason for these two is that the universities, the task of the researchers is to generate some new universe on knowledge, while the task of researchers in the company is most likely to be to solve some problem that is appealing and bothering this organization or this company. One last point: if you are a university student, or you are very unlikely to get your research very close to a basic research or very close to applied research. Now, first of all, basic research. A purely basic research is very expensive and very costly. You need to generate information sort of out of nowhere, and I'm pretty sure, don't be afraid or don't even aim there with your research idea to generate something completely new. Once the mistake, and you can trust me with it, it's very hard to get very close to a basic research. On the other hand, you will not get close to it, applied research, because if you're writing research at the university, your supervisors will just not allow you to do so. Because in that case your results will be not generalizable, because purely applied research is simply a consultancy and you will not get your university degree when you are consulting a company. So think about this when you will be designing your research in the very beginning. Don't try to get too close to basic or to apply the research. In the next video we will discuss about exploratory, descriptive and explanatory research nature. If you like this video, then please hit the subscribe button and also press bell icon for future updates of my channel. And also don't forget to like and share. See you in next video. Take care and distribute happiness if you want to be happy.